boy stands gazing at a mountain rising high, sees a face in the stone reaching toward the sky. Something in its stillness calls him to believe in the shape of greatness only he can see. Face of the mountain dream carved into his mind, growing through the seasons as he leaves the past behind. Every step he's taken brings him closer to that place, becoming what he once admired in the mountain's quiet face. Years move softly and the vision starts to guide all the strength he gathers, building deep inside. What he chooses shapes him, slowly coming true, living out the image that his heart already knew. Yeah. Face of the mountain dream carved into his mind, growing through the seasons as he leaves the past behind. Every step he's taken brings him closer to that place, becoming what he once admired in the mountain's quiet face. Hold a dream with purpose, let it gently grow. Choose the one that mirrors what your spirit longs to know. Visions become pathways when they match your soul, guiding you toward